teacher bells, teach you all the way. Oh, Merry Christmas all the way, and one more process sleigh. Hey, teacher bells, teach you all the way. Oh, Merry Christmas all the way, and one more process sleigh. Hey, teacher bells, teacher.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we went to Joann's Fabric, got him a small 3T white t-shirt. He needs to do on Tuesday he needs to wear a favorite reindeer shirt. So of course I couldn't find one at Target yesterday, so I decided we're just gonna go ahead and make one today with his footprint. So I have some piece of cardboard here, so I just cut it out so we can put it in. Just like so. Chris, you ready to paint your toes?
Yeah.
And your foot?
Yes.
Okay. You got your socks off?
Yes.
Let me see your toes. Stinky toes! Show them your toes. Stinky toes! Okay. So we're gonna... You wanna sit up here so Mommy can paint your foot? You gotta paint it brown.
Yes.
Okay, sit up here.
Yeah.
You got the paintbrush?
Yes.
Because you're gonna have to stand up and put your footprint on here, okay? We're gonna put his footprint, and then for the antlers, I think we're just gonna do his hands.
Mommy, look, I sit down.
Good job. Why is it hand? Cruz, your feet stink.
Yes. Nimmy.
Now I'm gonna paint your toes. Which one are we gonna do? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Ah! Ah! I don't know why I bought the big one. I thought I needed a big one. Oh well, because I want to do his hand too.
My hand.
I think a small one would have done the job. Could have.
The small job?
Yes. Okay, so wipies. Always need wipies, right, Cruz? For reasons like this. Yes. Okay, let me put more paint, okay?
Yes, almost there.
There we go. Does it tickle?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, we're going to put more. I want to make sure it stays on the shirt. So this is fabric paint. I just want to make sure it gets a good footprint on the shirt. Right, Cruz? Let's see. More? Just to make sure.
Yes, make sure.
Okay. Come here. Alright. Don't put your foot down. Alrighty. Put your foot. Wait. Okay. Put your toes down. Step on it, Cruz. Okay. Up. And it did what I thought it was going to do. Okay. So let's try it again. Sit your little butt down. You need more paint. It dries quick, guys.
Try quick, guys. Good time. Is it a good time? I can't even write with the PG mask.
Hey, he didn't get us copyrighted.
PG mask. I don't know the song.
Come here. Wait. Mommy's gonna do it.
Step on it.
Yeah, okay. Up. here so I can clean your hands. I mean your toes, your foot. Alrighty. Ah! Got it on me, Cruz. Let me get the trash can over here. Alrighty.
My toes are so stinky.
They're stinky.
Yes, they're stinky.
They stink.
Yes, they stink. Whoa.
Ooh. We're gonna paint your hands next, okay?
Mm.
Are your hands clean? We just cleaned them, so they should be. Alright. Alright, sit down. Get your hands out of your mouth. Okay. We're gonna put your hands like that, okay? For it to be the antlers. So let me see your hand. One hand at a time. Let me paint your hand.
Wow.
Okay.
Juice.
Up. All right. Another wipey. In your hand. Looks like you ate chocolate. You gonna wear your shirt to school, to daycare?
Yes.
You gotta wear it on Tuesday. Tomorrow they're making Christmas cards. Okay, let me see your other hand.
Oh, let me paint it. Let me paint it, Mommy.
I'm gonna let you do the nose and the eyes, okay?
Okay.
Say, excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, open.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. For sure, I'm gonna be saving this shirt. And up. Alrighty. Good job, Cruz. Oh, last wipey. Okay.
I want to grab wiping.
Alright, clean your hands. Got some on me too.
Oh, you got on me.
Alright, so we're gonna let that dry a little bit. Clean your hands, okay? And then we got white for the eyes, and a black one, and red for the nose. Not on your shirt. And then we might put just little dots around to make it look like Christmas lights. So there we go. Got the face, and then the antlers are his handprints. Okay. Let me get a paintbrush, Cruz. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty. So we're gonna put his red nose right here. Okay.
Yes.
Here you go. The nose right here. Squeeze it a little slow. Nothing's dried. Let me see. It's dried out. Oh, I'm scared I'll make a mess. Okay. There, Bobby. Squeeze. A little bit. Okay? A little bit. Okay.
A little nose right
There you
here.
go. Make a circle with his nose.
Mhm.
A circle. There you go. Good job.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to make circles for his eyes. Where are his eyes going to go?
Right there.
No, those are his antlers. His eyes are going to go right here, okay?
Yes, those are antlers.
Yes.
Eyes right here.
You help me squeeze? Right there. Okay. Make a circle. Another circle.
We didn't pay his mouth.
Okie dokie. And he needs one little black tiny eyeballs, okay?
Here.
Thank you, sir. Okay, no more paintbrush. Little black dots, okay? Inside his eyes. Little bit, little. Oh, wow, Cruz. You did it.
Yes.
All right, guys. So there we go. His eyes and his nose.
His nose, right?
Yep. Beautiful.
Yes. Now, what's his mouth?
You want to draw his mouth?
Yes.
Okay. You give him a smiley face?
Yes.
Okay. Just give him a smiley face right down here, okay? All right.
All right.
Let me see. Good job, Cruz. There we go. You want to show them?
Yes.
Here you go.
Okay. We made it a smiley face.
You want to put little red dots everywhere?
Yes.
Okay. Put little dots around here. Not too hard.
That's for his nose. Huh?
Just for
Sit down.
okay.
I want to put little dots. I want to put a little bit.
Yeah, just squeeze it, not too hard. Okay. Everywhere. Good job, Cruz. All right. Thank you, sir.
You want to, Mommy? It's all red. Mommy.
All right, guys. So say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. We'll have more videos coming up later on this week or this month. So hope to see y'all then. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, everyone watching.
We'll see y'all later.
See you